Natural light photography, you guys. Natural light photography, yes. And you're gonna like stand out this.
Okay, so you're gonna boop boop.
So like, oh, you could even like hold it like this.
Okay.
Yeah, like that's cute. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi and Lens. We're back at it again, another one, man.
Told baby she my front runner, ain't no runner up. Young nigga tryna bubble up, just like my double cup, my brother.
Do you want me to take my pants off?
I'm asking you.
Do you want me to?
Do you want to go full blown or do you want to like just go change?
Fuck it. Yeah, I'll
All right.
Trust me, to call the right play, I told him huddle up. Baby, see how I be getting down, I told her set hut. Told him bring it in. If I give a bro the word, he gon' spin a bend. Told him put his policy.
You want to go like full blown or no?
Do you want me to take my pants off?
I'm asking you.
Do you want me to?
Do you want to go full blown or do you want to like just go change?
Fuck it. Yeah, I'll
All right. All right, ready?
Same pose?
Oh, things happen.
Fuck, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Yeah, fine. All right, so this time, what I kind of want is I kind of want like this. I kind of want like a this, like yeah, sass with it, and I want like you to like pop.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? Stand straight. You're fine. Stand straight. There you go.
Like super action.
You're fine. What is up, you guys? YouTube, we're back at you another one, man. Today it's like try this pose. Try this pose your next photo shoot, you guys. What I want is, so I'm gonna boop boop.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna like stand out.
All right, do it again.
So literally like,
So I'm standing straight up.
I want you like this.
Okay, so you're gonna boop boop.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying?
So
That's what I'm gonna do. All right, ready? Boop, 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 boop. Hold it. Yeah, that's good. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Oh, cute. Body is giving Audi.
Bet.
Or racing, actually.
You're fine.
Actually. Alright, so we're doing that again?
What do you think?
Think about the pose.
What are you thinking?
I don't know.
Like maybe you're like just both straight out,
So-
like both feet together, and like you're like out like that, and then like you're like looking over this way. So like literally is my.
This is security guard.
I see him, bro.
Like what?
So it'd be like this, and then like you can like hold it like open or some shit.
Thank you. Thank you.
There you go, bet. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Bet.
Cute. Oh yeah, fire. Dope. You look really good.
I kind of want you to do it one more time, and I'm like shoot from the side. Go ahead. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And for my ISO, you guys, for my f-stop, I got it at 1/32. You're good. I got it at 1/32, f2.8, and then my ISO is 80. I'm gonna go ahead and show her these right here. So these are the 3 poses that we've just done for you guys to show you.
Oh, cute. Yeah. I like it.
So literally try these 3 poses, you know what I mean? Like that's 1, 2, 3. You don't gotta take the pants off, you know what I mean? We're just like, you know, showing you what you could do with the pants off, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. Let's try to give him one bonus pose. Like what's one
Yeah,
more
the sun
bonus?
is just out.
It's out now, it's helping. So like now, boom, let's use it. Cause this bitch right here. Natural light photography, you guys. Natural light photography. Yes, let's give it. Let's give it to him, All right, so literally like this, and then I want like, you kind of like looking over your shoulder on some shit. So like, oh, you could even like hold it like this.
Okay.
Yeah, like that's cute. There you go. Straight legs. Yep. And don't forget, hold it. Shutter speed at 500, you guys. Catching that, there we go. Hold it. Ooh, wide stance, there we go. Hold it. Hold it, you boys. Yep, hold it. Oh, I love that. Hold it. Hold it. Don't move. Hold it, one more. Boom, all right, bet. There we go.
Cute.
Right?
Yeah, that's cute.
You just heard her?
What'd she say?
Why she ain't wearing no pants? That wasn't her, that wasn't him who said it. It was somebody else who yelled it.
Sister, why she ain't wearing no pants?
Why she ain't wearing no pants?
Cute.
Bet.
Cute.
All right, you guys, man, that's natural light photography. I think we gave you guys enough time, you know what I'm saying, for you guys to get some natural light photography and the poses, you know what I'm saying? Like natural light photo shoot, but also with the poses, you know what I'm saying, mixed in there. I mean, having a little bit of fun, being a little scandalous outside, downtown Orlando. You know, it's a big vibe, you know what I'm saying? We're about to make her put her pants back on because I don't think this is public because this is a bathing suit bottom.
Yeah,
but
and a bathing suit top. So it's basically a bikini.
Yeah, it's really a bikini, you know what I'm saying? But being that we're in a different location than the beach, it's like not socially accepted and shit of that nature. But like, we don't be giving a fuck. So we're about to go ahead and like, we're making great time. It's 2:30. We're gonna go ahead and switch up the outfit and then come back out here and have a little more fun again. And yeah, I'm about to think about another video for me to recreate. Probably gonna do a little bit more poses, but in a different outfit. Let's get it.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.